So here we are just looking at a brief daily check for a trailer, but as we know, any vehicle on the road needs to be checked before we drive to make sure it's safe and secure. I'm going to briefly run you through that check, starting off from the front of the trailer to the rear. First of all, I will check the physical coupling to make sure that everything's okay and secure, checking the bolts briefly, making sure the bellows is not snagged or torn, making sure the breakaway cable is free from any snags or bends, making sure the handbrake lever is intact, making sure the jockey wheel is intact along with the handle and the wheel. Moving back, we're looking at the serial number plate, the chassis, making sure that the welds are all okay. Moving back then through to the marker lights. We keep moving down, making sure that the reflectors are intact, checking the mudguards to make sure they're all in place, checking the tyres for any sidewall damage, any bulges, etc. Making sure the tread is within the legal 1.6mm limit, making sure that the nuts are tight. It may be that you need to remove covers or wheel nut indicators in order to do that. Then moving back, checking that any stabiliser legs or prop stands are secure and intact, along with the bracket and the handle. Then finally round to the rear of the trailer, just going to check that the lights are all in good condition, they're fitted, the lenses are correct, and any reflectors are in place. Finally, the last thing before you move off, we'll move back to the front, we'll plug in our trailer to the vehicle or an AT electrical tester, and then we'll run through the sequence just to make sure the bulbs are functioning.